Hello, this is the review for writing the equation for two given points that would be exponential. Now remember, the exponential equation is y equals a times b to the x. So if I'm given two quarter points like this first example here, this is my x and my y for my first point, and this is my second x and my second y. So what I would do first is plug in the x and y values into the equation. And if I have a choice, I like to choose the bigger y value to put on top. So I would put the 1944 in for the y equals a times b to the x. In this case, it is 5. Now I'm going to put the second quarter point in the same thing. I'm going to put 72 in for the y. A times b to my x value in this case is 2. Now when we learned systems in chapter 4, we would add or subtract. When you're doing exponential, you actually want to divide these. And by dividing these two equations, you're going to eliminate the a value because a divided by a is 1. So if I take 1944 and divide it by 72, I'm going to get 27. And again, as just mentioned, the a's will cross out. And then when we do the division of powers, remember it's the quotient law, we subtract them. So 5 minus 2 would be 3. You have one more step then to get rid of the cubic. You do the cube root. You're going to cube root both sides. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So then I have my b value of 3. The next thing you're going to do then is take the original equation and plug in a b value. I'm going to choose this bottom one because it has smaller numbers. So I'm going to take 3 to the second power times a equals 72. Well, 3 squared is 9 times a would be 9a. Then if I divide by 9 to get the a by itself, a equals 8. So then my equation for these two quarter points would be y equals a, which is 8 times b to the x power. And that's how you would write an equation given two coordinate points.